One sunny morning in the forest, the boastful rabbit laughed at the slow turtle and challenged him to a race. The turtle quietly accepted. All the animals gather to watch. The race starts. The rabbit zooms ahead while the turtle slowly begins to walk. After running a long way, the rabbit looks back and sees the turtle far behind. Confident, he decides to take a nap under a tree. While the rabbit sleeps, the turtle keeps walking slowly, never stopping or turning back. The rabbit wakes up and rushes to the finish line, but it's too late. The turtle has already crossed it. All the animals cheer. The rabbit learns a lesson. Slow and steady wins the race. The turtle smiles humbly as the crowd celebrates his victory.